Hey, are you looking for the best mechanical gaming keyboard from Aliexpress? I have fixed the top 5 best Aliexpress gaming keyboards for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the keyboards are in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. And at number 5, the best keyboard is Motospeed GK81 mechanical gaming keyboard. Recently, this gaming keyboard price is $89.37. It is provided with a low-profile switch adopt feature which helps to lower the main travel. It is also provided with faster key recoil and it also does quickly trigger. Despite all of these, it maintains the same linear feeling. It also supports N-key folding in wired mode and also got a 19-key flip in wireless mode, which lets the device avoid major conflicts. Despite all of these, during the game, the keyboard can accurately record and feed clicking commands again. It will allow you to feel anything but a comfortable fit whether you are playing for an hour or 10, and it will also allow you to feel maximum comfort while using to reduce fatigue caused by prolonged writing or working. You will be amazed to see its beautiful lighting effects. It looks beautiful with all its 18 kinds of light effects, which are switchable. It will also give you control to modify its beautiness, because you will be able to adjust its brightness, and also be able to adjust light speed. Its keycaps are designed in a floating shape for instant response, which provides a quick trigger and easy cleaning. Now, you can also drive faster than ever. It will provide you abrasive blasting, oxidation, etc. In one line, it is beautiful with good texture, durability. It is also very environment friendly too. And at number 4, the best keyboard is Motospeed K1 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. Already, this keyboard price is $105.32. It is provided with a wired mode that fully supports the anti-ghosting key, which means you can enjoy all key anti-ghosting. You can also get 19-key anti-ghosting in the wireless mode because the wireless mode supports 19-key anti-ghosting. In the wireless mode, if you keep all the lights on, you will get 60 hours of approximate use time, and you will get 500 hours of approximate use time if you keep the lights off. In 2.4G mode, if you don't press any key for 1 to 2 minutes, it will automatically enter sleep mode. And you can easily wake up this by pressing any key from the keyboard. It will automatically switch to the wired mode when the data cable is connected to the computer. You can only use the player, the previous song, the next song when you use the FN key combination on the Apple computer system. And at number 3, the best keyboard is Logitech G Pro X wired mechanical gaming keyboard. Already, this keyboard price is $147.04. It is provided with advanced GX mechanical switches, which are engineered and 100% tested for performance, responsiveness, and durability. You will also be able to customize the feel of your Pro X keyboard with 3 removable switch variants named GX Blue Clicky, GX Red Linear, GX Brown Tactile if you purchase them. You will get more room for mouse movements because it is provided with a 10-keyless design. It is easy to pack it for traveling because of its durable and compact design. You can highlight critical keys, or can just show your team solidarity with this amazing keyboard. You can also customize lighting and animations with Logitech G Hub software. The keyboard also allows you to save a static lighting design to onboard memory. You can detach the micro USB cable for safe transport in your travel bag. It also features a 3-pronged design for an easy, secure connection. It is also provided with rubber feet that help to keep the keyboard in place. It is also provided with 3-step adjustments that allow you to customize the angle of the keyboard to the position, which gives more comfort and ease. And at second place, the gaming keyboard is Hexgears GK60 mechanical gaming keyboard. Now, this keyboard price is $170.99. It is designed to be a durable device and to give long and satisfactory service. It is provided with the ability to do 50 million actuations. Its triggers are 45% faster than traditional switches. So, you can operate it so quickly and will be able to save your precious time. Having faster services and actuations gives much satisfaction in the time of need. You can go to places where there are risks of water. You can work on those places too. Because the keyboard is provided with a waterproof design. You can easily on-off your computer with this, which will give you the opportunity to switch off your computer in a time of emergency. Because it is provided with one button on and off. You can also save time by controlling your volume and brightness in no time. Which will give you the opportunity to save your precious time to control volume or brightness. Because it is provided with scrolling wheel volume and brightness control. It is an RGB backlight model. You will have a colorful and beautiful keyboard to work on. Because it is provided with an RGB backlight system. Seeing its important or much needed features. We can say with pride that it is a great multifunctional mechanical keyboard, and it is also provided with oil interjection keycaps. It also provides 23% or 35% of CR handle value. You will have a great experience with the connection of the keyboard. It is provided with a dual USB for a convenient connection. And at number 1, the best gaming keyboard is US Captain HyperX RGB Professional Keyboard. Recently, this keyboard is $199.50. It is a keyboard that stands out both in appearance and in functionality because it is a full-featured keyboard with RGB backlit. By purchasing this, you will be able to highlight the entire keyboard or individual keys with RGB background, and which can be easily customized with HyperX Ingenuity software. You will have a reliable and stable device to control even the hottest heat of battles. The game mode and N key extension and its anti-ghost functions allow you to precisely control every click because it is provided with a durable steel frame. It is provided with a 100% anti-ghosting function. It is designed to meet the needs of all users. To do that, has been provided with dedicated multimedia control switches, an end-to-end USB 2.0 port, quick access buttons, and reliable Cherry 1 keyboards keys. You can also save the adjustments after adjusting the backlight and effects according to your preference. It is also provided with comfortable removable wrist rest with a soft touch coating. You will also get special multimedia control buttons, a large volume wheel, shortcut buttons for adjusting brightness, lighting effects, etc. It is also provided with optional gray textured caps and HyperX cap remover. It has the ability to meet everyone's exact needs with its reliable keys. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.